What is up YouTube? It's your boy Jay Hernandez and we're back with another video for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you are, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you guys share this video with whoever's interested in sneakers. Maybe this is a shoe that they might want to pick up and they want to take a look at it before they buy it. Now, your boy made a mistake. I bought the wrong size. These shoes did come from Europe, from Germany. I even Googled it. I asked what size is a 42 in Europe. It said a size 9. So, or I think I asked the other way around. I said what size is a 9 in Europe and it said a 42. So I'm kind of upset, but what can you really do, bro? Can't really do much. It's a half size too small. I am going to get on with the shoe, but before I get with the shoe, I'm gonna share with you guys my clothing pickups, man. So I picked up these this past weekend and they are the Biohack Jordan 1s. So I had to get this hoodie right here. It's a Champion hoodie. This was only 24 bucks, I think, or $25. It's got the Champion in that same kind of material that the Jordan 1 swooshes on the Biohacks, and it also has this nice navy right here around the mudguard. So it should go well with the sweater, hopefully. So that's one of the pickups. This t-shirt right here was only $8, and again, $8 is definitely worth it. If I can't wear it more than twice, it's all right, because think about how much we waste $8 on so many different things. Actually, we probably would spend it at the gas station whenever we're at work. It's $8 is really nothing. I'm not gonna miss $8. Now, if I was to spend $200 on this shirt, yeah, I'd probably miss it. This is a True Religion t-shirt and it was only $8, man. So I am going to be rocking this shirt with my PSG 4s whenever they come in. And I thought it was a very nice t-shirt, simple, but that's kind of how I dress. I dress kind of simple. I don't dress too crazy, you know what I'm saying? And then next up, we got that True Religion t-shirt again in a navy with some red, and it just got gold lettering throughout it. Very nice t-shirt. I like it. Again, $8. Picked all these clothing pieces up at TJ Maxx. I also picked up this Calvin Klein t-shirt from them. This one was a little bit more pricier. It was like $13. The materials are all right on these shirts. It's not nothing too spectacular. This one I picked it up for $13, $12.99. It'll go with a lot of shoes, black and white. You can't really go wrong with black and white. And last but not least, guys, I picked up this t-shirt right here. It's got the gold U. It's a True Religion t-shirt for $8 again. And I feel like this shirt will go good with my DMP 6s. I just like picking up t-shirts. I like to dress kind of plain. There's times where I will go out and I'll wear like a jean jacket or a flannel with a nice look. I just like to I like to look good as well in my sneakers, but I don't like to spend too much money on the t-shirts and on the clothing. Next up, guys, we got the shoes. These shoes did come from Asphalt Gold. I do have the box right here. Asphalt Gold. They are based out of Germany. I got the receipt right here, and I paid 125.21 euros. It ended up being a total of 155.21 euros. Okay, so after shipping, I paid 155.21 euros. I believe that's probably equivalent to like 160 some dollars, maybe 170. And I did pick up the wrong size. I picked up a size 8.5, a half size under what I usually pick up. My personal size is a size 9. I picked up an 8.5. It is what it is. Maybe I could fit them in or not. If I can't, then I'll have to get rid of them some way, somehow. The good thing about shoes is that somebody's always willing to buy them. So let's check these out. They do have a stamp right here on this part of the box. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they do have a stamp there on that part of the box. And they have a quality control sticker inside as well. There are the shoes right here. I already opened these up, guys. And here is the shoe. This is how I would wear it. The one on the left, the one on the right is factory lace. This is how I would rock my shoe. Kind of loose fit, especially now that I picked up an 8.5. The materials on this shoe they're decent. It's nothing too crazy. You're paying $125 at the end of the day. That's a pretty good price point for a sneaker nowadays. You got your orange, you know, you got your nice kind of 2 shades of black, nubuck around the mud guard right here and into the mid panel, and then you got your white swoosh, you got your elephant print. The laces are in elephant print, and then your mud guard is in elephant print as well. Now, I believe the shoe is very nice. I like it. Obviously, that's why I bought it. I'm just kind of upset that it is not in my size. You got your Nike Air on the back. It's overall a very nice shoe. You guys let me know what you think. Very Halloween vibe sneaker. Hopefully I do keep it. If I could fit it, I will keep it. I slipped this one on and it didn't feel too bad. Maybe with a thinner sock it'll feel a lot better, but the shoe is very nice. You guys let me know down in the comment section if you guys like the shoe. If you guys watch my Sneakers Sunday service, you guys know that I was all over this shoe whenever I saw that it was going to release, and I was able to pick it up, man. So I'm pretty grateful. At the same time, I'm kind of upset it's the wrong size, but hey, what can you do, bro? It happens. It comes with the territory whenever you're buying sneakers overseas and you don't know the sizings. So I recommend that you guys do some serious research before buying sneakers overseas, because yeah, you could easily screw yourself over, man. But that's the shoe. Very nice sneaker. You guys let me know down below if you guys think it's a good pickup. I will be doing an on feet of these if they do fit pretty good. I'm sure I could do it on feet no matter what. But anyway, if you guys are enjoying the content, like I said, I bring you guys reviews, sneaker reviews all the time throughout the week, at least one a week. At least a topic throughout the week. If for some reason I don't pick up sneakers that week, but more than likely I'm unboxing shoes non-stop. So you guys let me know what you guys think. It's your boy Jay Hernandez. I appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys be safe, have a good week at work, and I'll see you guys mid-week. I think I'll have another video. I got some more unboxings to do. It's your boy Jay Hernandez. I'm out of here. Sub up, man. Love you guys. Peace out.